Imagine transforming an old, wooden pallet into a stylish shelf that adds both charm and storage to your home. Sounds exciting, right? Let me show you how easy it actually is. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're creating a beautiful and functional wooden pallet shelf that not only looks amazing, but also saves you money. Whether you're decorating your living room, kitchen, or even your balcony, this shelf will fit perfectly. A pallet shelf is simply a recycled wooden pallet, cut and shaped into a shelf unit. It's affordable, sustainable, and can be customized to match your home decor. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Select a sturdy wooden pallet. Make sure it's clean and free from damage. Step 2. Use a saw to cut the pallet to your desired size. Step 3. Sand down all surfaces to smooth out rough edges. Step 4. Apply a coat of primer or wood stain depending on your finish preference. Step 5. Attach wall brackets or L-shaped metal supports to the back. Step 6. Mount it on the wall securely using screws and anchors. Step 7. Decorate it with plants, books, or kitchen jars. Tools explained. You'll need a handsaw or circular saw for cutting, sandpaper or an electric sander for smoothing, a paintbrush with wood primer or stain, screws, anchors, and metal brackets for mounting, measuring tape, and a pencil for accuracy. These are basic tools you might already have at home or can find at any hardware store. Quick tips: always wear gloves and safety glasses while cutting. Use a level to ensure your shelf hangs straight. If you want a rustic look, leave some natural imperfections on the wood. Cost comparison: buying a wooden shelf from a store could cost anywhere between $50 to $150, depending on size and quality. Making it yourself with a recycled pallet and some basic supplies costs less than $20. That's a huge saving. Workflow: collect pallet gives measure and cut gives sand, and smooth gives stain or paint, gives attach brackets gives mount on wall gives style with decor. Notes: make sure the pallet you select is heat treated, not chemically treated, for safety. Always double check wall strength before mounting heavy shelves, especially in drywall or plaster. So today, we turned an old pallet into a stylish, budget-friendly wooden shelf. We cut it, sanded it, stained it, mounted it, and styled it all in just a few simple steps. If you found this project helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more DIY ideas. And let me know in the comments how you'd style your own pallet shelf.